Hi guys. Let's start with WordPress. You want to create a site with the WordPress platform but you do not know where to start. Do not panic, it's easy. It's done in a few minutes. We will do step by step on a paid hosting, but you can do it for free as well. For hosting, there are many web hosts that work well with WordPress. These hosts offer you a control panel with scripts such as WordPress that makes it easy for you to install WordPress. Start by installing WordPress. If your domain name is purchased from another host, replace the NS with your site. Once the NS domain is updated, it will be associated with your hosting. But if the domain name is purchased when booking the hosting, you will not have to change your DNS. The installation of WordPress can be done through the panel. The good thing is that you can install it automatically. In this step, click Install Now to start the installation of the WordPress platform. Second, you will choose the domain name and protocol. It is recommended to choose www. You will also fill in the name of the site, a brief description and the nature of the topics you will cover in your site. Choose a username and a strong password to log into your site after installing WordPress. Be sure to mention your email. Choose the language of the site. I chose the English language because the site will have content in English. You can skip the step and press install directly to start streaming the platform. Click Install. The process of automatic installation of files and database on your site begins. The duration of this process is only a few seconds. When the installation of WordPress is complete, you can connect to the control panel of your blog via the link www.yourdomainname.com web link. You will have as follows. The WordPress control panel is simple and easy to publish articles and manage your blog. You can delete the default comments, edit the permalink, adjust your blog settings and launch your site. That's all for today. See you in another video.